Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Ryan and this is Ryan Recommends. In this video we're going to take a look at a barcode scanner that I've been using for a little while. I had one previously and it finally stopped working, and so when I searched around for a replacement I came across this one. So in this video we're going to take a look at it, and at the end I'm going to let you know if I would recommend it. Alright, so this is the Motorola DS6878. It's a wireless Bluetooth scanner. Comes with this dock here, charging dock. It does plug in via USB. The connection on the bottom here is like an Ethernet style plug on it, so it's not USB to USB. So you do need this particular cable to work with this dock. And it just goes right in there for charging. So one thing I will tell you, and I'll bring in my old one. So I scan a lot of UPC barcodes, and I used this one for quite a while, and you know, it did the job, but it was every time I would go to scan something, and you can see I'm pulling the trigger on this thing and there's no light. That's what actually ended up dying on this, is the red, I guess, laser light or whatever's in there died, and so I was forced to get a different one. So what I noticed is this thing only had one line when it scanned. So when I scan with this one, I don't know if you guys can see that. See how it's like a cross symbol? So this thing is almost 100% accurate. Every time I pull the trigger on a barcode, bam, it scans it right away. This one here, it's like I had to get the right angle, move it in, move it out, up and down, rescan it a few times. You know, this is one of those like cheap $15, $20 units, because I just needed one. I never had a barcode scanner, but when it eventually died and I got this one, I really didn't know that there was such a big difference out there between barcode scanners. I thought, all it's got to do is read the barcode, right? Well, now that I've used a couple different ones now, definitely am realizing there is a difference in quality and in performance on these scanners. So I'm going to grab... Here's a controller that I reviewed in a previous video. It's got a barcode on the back. Now I don't have the unit plugged in, so it's going to beep, but you can see, boom, look how fast that was. Now it's telling me that it's not registering with the dock, but see that? Look how fast that worked. Boom. Now I've got to wait for it to kind of quit giving me the signal, but you can see every time I scan that barcode, bam, it worked. So, I'm very impressed with this thing. Battery life has been good. The performance has been good. It is a Motorola. Now it says on here, it says Symbol on there, but I don't know if we're going to get this on the camera or not. Let's see if we can get here. Right there, Motorola Solutions. So it is a Motorola brand. I'll leave the link to Amazon page where I got this. So you guys can check it out for yourselves. But an amazing, amazing scanner, and I would highly recommend this. You know, it's even bigger too. I should have pointed that out. I mean, look at the size of it. So when you get one of these dinky ones, and then you actually get one that's more of a professional model, like this one is, you can definitely, it's hard to tell on the computer, but when you get them in your hands, you can tell the difference. So, does Ryan recommend? Yeah, Ryan recommends. If you are a barcode person that scans barcodes, whether it's UPC or whatever, I mean, this thing scans just about every kind of barcode out there, but I mainly use it for UPC barcodes. But if you guys are considering a scanner, check this one out. Highly recommended. Alright guys, well I appreciate you guys watching the channel. Please like and subscribe. Like I said, I'll leave the Amazon links below so you guys go directly to the page on where I got this one. If you have any other questions or comments, leave that down below. Thanks guys. See you in the next one.